Good morning. It is Saturday, Vlogmas day 7, and it's 8 a.m. in the morning, and I'm already in my car because I'm headed down to Oslo today to hang out with a friend, and we're having a baking day, which we have managed every year since we were in college together, except for one. And that was when I was in hospital having my daughter. So I had a perfectly good excuse. But anyway, I am headed down to Oslo now. It's about a 2-hour drive, and it is 0 degrees and sleeting. So yeah, not looking forward to the drive, but I do have an apple, I have my coffee, and let's go. See you in a bit. So I totally forgot to film the intro to the actual baking day. But as you can see, we're really working hard here, and my friend is mixing egg whites and I'm squeezing lemons, and we're putting the monster cookies out on the tray. And yeah, I managed to get a little bit of footage of that, but totally forgot to sort of film the the everything else. So yeah, I hope you enjoy a little quick movie of this. What do you think, people? Looking pretty delicious, or what? Okay, everyone. So I feel like I hardly had any time today to really, stop and talk to you about things and everything, because today has been a whirlwind. So I started very early this morning and, drove to Oslo and then met my friend and baking, and, catching up and having a lovely time. So I don't get to see my friend very often because, she lives in Oslo and has her own life, and so so do I in my little city. So yeah, it's been so lovely to catch up and bake and, have fun all day. So I'm going to go to bed now. It's almost midnight. And tomorrow morning I'm heading back home, and we are having sort of a traditional Christmas lunch thing with my in-laws tomorrow. We do it almost every year. So I have to get back and, take a shower and get dressed up and everything for that. So I'm going to bed now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.